Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Prableen, and for today's video, I'm going to be talking about my top 10 products that every girl must have in their vanity. I really wanted to make this video a very long time ago, but it just got delayed, and now I have all the products that I think a girl needs. So I'm going to talk about all the makeup products that basically one could ask for, and I'm really excited for you guys to see what products do I have to tell you all. So if you're someone that wants to know what 10 products are like a must-have for a beginner's makeup kit or a makeup enthusiast or someone who really enjoys makeup, then definitely keep on watching. So I basically have all the products that I want to show you. So we have foundations, we have concealers, we have eyeshadow palettes, we have a lot of stuff, like basically all the makeup products you could ask for, and I have like two options in each. So if you want to go in with something that is maybe budget friendly or maybe on the higher pricing side, you all can decide which product do you all want and then go ahead and purchase it for yourselves. So the first product that I want to definitely put out is this. Now this is the M.A.C Cosmetics Fix Plus. Now this is called as the Prep and Prime, and it's a beautiful product. It's basically a prep and prime, so you can use this before using your makeup or also after using your makeup. I like to basically set my makeup with this product, so once I'm done with my makeup, I just spritz it on my face, and you can see the luminous, dewy, beautiful finish it gives my skin. I haven't applied any highlighter, but if you can see, it's just radiating. It just looks so pretty, and I really like it. Now this is on the expensive side, definitely. This is a tiny bottle that I got because there was a sale going on. I also have the bigger version. But if you're going for a dupe or a less expensive product, then you should invest in this. This is the Wet n Wild natural finish setting spray. Now this gives a very similar effect. It also does the same job. Where the Prep and Prime is more different, when you sort of spritz it, you need to spritz it like strongly. This comes in a spray form, so you just have to like do this. They have similar sort of sprays, but this one covers more area as compared to the M.A.C Fix Plus. I really like it, and that is on the pricier side. This is on the more affordable side, and it smells really nice. Next up, I have 4 lipstick formulas that one definitely must have in their vanity. So I am going to start with my current favorite product, and this has been on my channel for the longest time. So this is the Milani Cosmetics Amore Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade 12. Loved. It is what I'm wearing right now. It's one of the prettiest nude, peach nude shades. It glides on like butter, and it smells beautiful. It gives a very luxurious feel to the lips. It does not crease as much. It's extremely long lasting. Its pigment is beautiful and to die for, and I am obsessed with this lipstick. This is my second bottle. I got the same shade, and I've been using this for the longest time, and I do not shift to anything else if I want to go out. I love this. So you should definitely invest in this lipstick if you like a good liquid matte lipstick which is really long lasting. Another lipstick formula that you must have if you love red lipsticks in particular is this is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. It is a beautiful lipstick. It's extremely pigmented. It's one of my other favorite lipsticks formulas. It's super pretty on the lips. It looks really nice, very long lasting, very highly pigmented, does not crease. You don't even need to touch these lipsticks up. They're so good on the lips, and this is a perfect red if you want to invest in. Also the shade Gulabi and Driver's Seat from this collection are really nice, so if you want to give it a try, definitely go on and get it. Now coming to bullet lipsticks, I have 2 favorites in my bullet lipsticks. So first one is this one. This is the Nykaa's Monalisa. I have spoken a billion times about this lipstick. It is one of the gorgeous nude lipsticks, nude brown tone lipsticks that you should invest in. It's so pretty. It's very similar to this lipstick, but it's more on the nude side, more on the brown tint side, and I absolutely love it. It's very long lasting, very gorgeous on the lips. I think if you really like a bullet lipstick formulas, you should definitely invest in the Nykaa's Monalisa. And the next matte lipstick formula is this, wherein the Monalisa on the other side will be more creamier and it's more transferable. This is the Lakme's Absolute Matte Lipsticks. This is a divine creation. The formula of these lipsticks are to die for. They're super pretty, super creamy. They last for the entire day. It feels like you don't even have anything on your lips because it feels very, very nice. So this is one really good lipstick. Like, my mom only uses these lipsticks, nothing else. She loves these lipsticks. This is the Face Shop's Tint, which I absolutely love. It's almost, the bottle is almost over. I need to get a new one, and this one is not really available, so I will put the link to the product that is available in the description so you all can get your hands on it. It's a beautiful tint. I love it. It gives you a pretty pink, natural pink look, like a natural red flush of color on your lips, and it looks very natural. It stays for the whole day, and it's a very good investment. And I don't even need anything else. If I have this, I can just put it on my cheeks and on my lips a little bit, and you're done for the day. It's so good. The next product I have is this Makeup Revolution blush palette. It's called as the Blush Palette Blush Goddess. I love the fact that it has 4 blushes and 4 highlighting shades, and all of these are super pigmented. The blushes are also really pretty. It's just really versatile. You can use these shades for your eyeshadows. So I think if you want to invest in one palette which will give you like a highlighter and a blush, this is a must have. It's super pigmented and super nice. If you have combination or dry or even oily skin and you want one foundation, this foundation is my ride or die foundation. I cannot do without it. It's the Nykaa SkinShield. It's medium to full coverage. You can build it up. It's not super cakey. It gives you a dewy finish, and I like the fact that it's anti-pollution, very hydrating, and it has oil control action, which basically will avoid you from breaking out, which is what I really like about it. It never breaks me out, and I love it. So this is one foundation I think you should definitely invest in. It's a must-have. You've heard me talk about this, and this is my favorite mascara. This is the K Beauty's mascara. It's extremely voluminous, and I like the fact that its bristles are like very thick. It gives you a lot of volume, but you always need to remove a lot of product and then use it. Otherwise you will feel that your eyelashes are getting cluttered, which you won't like. But this is a very good mascara, so I think if you're someone that is looking for a good mascara in an affordable range, you should definitely go for this one. The one concealer that I really like is this one. This is from Maybelline. It's the Age Rewind concealer. It works as an eraser. You won't even feel like you have concealer on your face. I go in with 2 shades, Honey and Sand. So these 2 are my shades, which is 140 and 122. 140 is exactly of my skin color, which looks really dark on the shade card, but in actual it's exactly my skin color. So even if I put it, it won't even you can't even see if I have concealer on my face. And I use 122 to sort of highlight. It's light and it's sort of my shade, but I still use it to sort of highlight my under eyes, because I'm not that kind of a person who likes very brightened under eye looks. I go for a very natural look because that's just how I like to go about with my makeup. But I think this is one of the best concealers. It's very hydrating. It does not crease as much. It's not too drying as well. The one palette I would definitely recommend everyone to buy is this James Charles mini palette. Now many people are really confused as to where can you get this from, so I will link all the pages that from where you can get this palette in a reasonable and good authentic price and product. You can just play around with this palette so much. It has so many colors, so many color shades. You can play with reds, blues, it has neutrals, it has warms, it has shimmers. It has everything. And I think when I started my makeup journey, I just had this one palette, and I think this did me wonders, and I still use it all the time. So I think this is a must-have for anyone that wants to get into makeup, because you don't need like 5 different palettes. It has color shades of all 5 different palettes. So I think it's a really good purchase, and you don't need the bigger one, you just need the mini palette. Can you see the size? This is the mini one and it's super big, so you don't need the big one. Go for this and you're good to go. This is the next product. This is the Maybelline's Fit Me. I am in the shade Light. It is a beautiful loose setting powder. It just gives you a very airbrushed effect on your skin. You don't even, like, sometimes even if you're just putting concealer and you put this on your skin, like you can just dab it on your skin, you feel like you have foundation on your skin, because it just makes your skin look so nice and airbrushed. It has a beautiful finish, and I will highly recommend it to everyone that wants to get a good loose powder. It's affordable and it goes a very long way. This lip liner from K Beauty is a very pretty lip liner. It's in the shade High Impact. This is how its color is. It's pretty nude, a little dark on the nude side, but I really like it. I think in our Indian brands, I think this is one of the most pigmented and creamy pencil formulas that I have come across, and I really enjoy using this. So if you're looking for a good pencil, I think you should definitely try this one. If you're someone that deals with really bad wing eyeliner situations, this eyeliner is going to be a savior for you. I think this is one of my best purchases. This is Nykaa's Wing in a Bling. It has a very fine tip on one side, super pigmented. And on the other side, we have a stamp which you can directly place. We have a stamp which you can directly place and get your winged eyeliner. It's that simple. And I think if you are someone that wants a good eyeliner, this is a really good purchase. I create my wing eyeliners all the time, and I really like this. If you are a Kajal person, you do not want to miss on the Tri Sugars Heavy Duty Kohl Kajals. I think they're gorgeous. They're super pigmented. Kohl of Honor Kajals. So all of these are the Kohl of Honor Kajals. So they have like so many shades. Can you see this? It's so pigmented, so pretty. This is in the shade Aqua Lung, and I really like it. I'm going to be making a part 2 of 10 must-have products again, because I still have many products that I think a girl that really likes should have. So I really hope you'll enjoyed this quick and small video where I am talking about my current favorite products, and these are like the 10 must-haves. Like, you should have these products in your vanity. You will enjoy it, and that is pretty much it. I really hope you all enjoyed watching the video. If you all did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you get updated every single time I upload a video, and I will see you next time. Bye.